Diwali is round the corner. People all over the country are eagerly waiting for the Festival of Lights to arrive. This year, Diwali will be celebrated on 24th of October. Well, Diwali is not just the festival of lights but also love, positivity and joy. It's that time when you meet and greet your loved ones and gift them gifts and sweets. It's a festival when we eat lots of savory snacks and sweets, and it almost becomes impossible for us to say no to these awesome delicacies. But as we know that excess of anything can be harmful, so we need to be extra cautious about what we put in our stomach. So in this video, we have mentioned some really easy to follow yet important pre-Diwali tips to prepare your body for this festive season. So first of all, you need to keep yourself hydrated this festive season. Try to drink more and more water as it will keep you hydrated, cleanse your body, make you eat less and take care of your skin. Then you need to avoid eating fried food. Although it's hard to say no to these amazing and tasty delicacies during Diwali, but try to avoid deep fried snacks like samosas, puris and fries. Avoid sugary drinks. You should avoid drinking beverages like Coke and Pepsi. Instead, you can go for Diet Coke, juices or sugar-free sodas. Work out for at least 30 minutes. Start working out at least 10 days prior and continue it till the 10 days after the festival. You can meditate, go for a walk or run, dance or do Zumba. Indulge into healthy snacking. There are so many protein-rich healthy snack options. You can keep that for munching. Some examples are baked crackers, baked chips, soya sticks, ragi crackers and oats bars. So this Diwali, prep up your body with these pre-Diwali diet tips. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.